Connect the power supply, 3 live wires, 1 neutral wire. Turn the knob to the right to the on position. Turn on all switches in turn. Log into the laser software. Click OK. Click Start to turn on the laser generator. The light comes on. Open the cutting software. Close the dialog box. Wait for the software to open. Click back to origin. The machine will move the laser head to the origin position. The Z-axis of the machine returns to the origin first, and then moves, and the X and Y-axis return to the origin position. Here is the prompt for success. Insert the USB stick and find the file we need to cut. Click the layer button in the upper right corner. Click Import. Select the appropriate cutting parameters. The metal thickness and the nozzle model are indicated here. Click Open. Click OK. The parameters have now been successfully imported. Before cutting, we click on the frame to determine the cutting range. We can also operate it with a joystick controller. We hit the shutter button. Handle controllers are also available. Click the gas button to detect if there is gas. After checking that everything is okay, click the Start button to start cutting.